everybody, welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you actually watch my channel. I'm really excited for this video because we are finally going to start my office makeover series. I showed parts of my office in I think one of my Christmas vlogs, and if you guys saw that, it's pretty empty. It still really is. I still have that busted mirror over there. I still just have my couch and the makeup dresser that I showed. And my closet, I don't know if I'll be able to show you. My closet is still naked. There are no doors. And that is the first step of the office makeover. My husband is going to help me, or rather, I'm going to help him by holding, like, you know, holding what he tells me to hold. And we're going to be installing these mirror doors. I'm really excited. I've always wanted mirror doors, and we finally bought them. These were a little bit more expensive than I would have liked. I think they were $150 after taxes and military discount. Originally I was looking at some that were like $120, but that just did not work out. I don't know where to look because you guys can see me there, so I don't know. But yeah, so I paid like 30 bucks more than I originally intended, but apparently based off of the reviews on Lowe's, that's where I got them, these have a better mirror quality, so I guess it's not that big a deal. Also, I made sure to get the ones that have this white trim just because I mean, we're planning to keep these doors here if we ever rent out or sell the house. Because, I mean, it was weird to me that they didn't come with closet doors, but I mean, whatever. And I also got the ones with white trim, just to kind of up the resale value. I think white is like the most neutral, people can work with it the most. Yeah, I'm going to show you guys the installation process, and I hope you guys enjoy. Okay, so just a few minutes, and I already forgot that I was vlogging. So my husband already cut the top rail, because the top rail is like longer than the actual closet, and you're supposed to cut it down to size. So now I am doing the bottom rail, and you guys are going to see me measure and cut. How exciting. So you guys know the rule that's like measure twice, cut once. I'm like measure 50 times and somehow it's still wrong. Okay, see guys, that's what I said. I measure like 5 times and it's still wrong. Exhibit A. I did it! I wish I caught more though. I did it, guys! All by myself with the hacksaw. Took 4 freaking ever. Oh my god, my arms are so sore from having to hold this thing down, but I did it! Alright, moment of truth, guys. Let's see if I did a good job or not. I did it. Hi, Missy. Oh. Goodbye. Okay, guys, so we're back in the room. We have the little railing on the floor, and we're just, like, anchoring it down by screwing it into the floor, and hubby says he has a really cool trick, or important trick for doing so, so I'll listen to what he has to say. It's very important, I promise. We're waiting.
for this. Alright. Drilling in the metal. Obviously you want to make your measurement, see where you want to drill at. I'm going to mark it with something. I don't really have anything to mark it with. You got a pencil? No, I stole it. I threw it in the grass. It's alright. Mark it with something. So I'm just going to put a little dot right here, just scratch it in because you're going to drill right there anyway. It don't matter. Alright. So you find a little dot. Alright, you're going to take a little punch like this. Very small tip. You're going to put it right on that dot. You're going to take a hammer. You're just going to punch a hole through it. Doesn't have to go all the way in, just a little hole. That one indents the metal, so the drill bit will sit right into that spot. So if you've ever drilled into metal before and didn't make like a pilot hole for it, you'd notice that the drill bit really wants to like wiggle all over the place. But since there's like the indent, the drill bit sits right in that little crevice and stays there. And yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. And you go do it on the other side. Yeah.
It's a good tip, honestly. I would have never thought of it. I would have just tried to screw something in there and probably messed it up. So there you go. You learn something new every single day.
Yeah. See, it sits right in. Get off my offhand, so I might jack this up. Doesn't wiggle around at all, does it? Just goes straight in. There you go.
No. Oh, this fan, you guys, is one of the pieces I'm changing. Oh my gosh, can this? Hold on. Let me. Okay, back in business. This fan is like one of the things I want to change about The Office because it's like space galaxy theme and I really don't like it for what I'm trying to do with The Office. So I'm thinking of like selling. You know what? I don't even need to, now that I think about it, I was going to buy a whole different fan, but I can just buy the blades and the thing because they just screw on. It's like a whole inch and a half. Okay, so cool thing about these closet doors is that at the bottom, like I said, there's this screw that allows you to like lift up the door in case it's not exact. The only thing is we had to lift so much that there's a freaking hole at the bottom. What is that? Oh my gosh. I'm gonna have to figure out a way to cover that up because that is the ugliest thing I have ever seen, and both doors are going to be like that. So the things I want sometimes. Okay, so the closet doors are officially in. I'm so excited, guys. They look, let's see if I can get a good angle. They look so good. The room already looks so much bigger. I have another place to look at myself. Wow. So both of them are in. The only thing, like I said earlier, is that there's like these big gaping holes at the bottom, which are really ugly. So the solution possibly is that we are gonna put something above the top railing so that it comes down, and then hopefully we don't have to crank up the bottom portion as much. But yeah, this one can get rid of that busted mirror right there, and I can actually hide stuff in my closet so that my office looks cleaner. I can potentially do like outfit of days and stuff. That's so exciting. I don't know if I am, because you know that quarantine 15, I feel like I'm one of the victims because I got really lazy. I'm starting to work out, but it's still hard to like get into it at home because I hate working out at home. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it was informative. I tend to forget to like pick up the camera when we're doing something, and like I'll have to explain it later because we either move around too much or things just happen in the moment, and afterwards I'm like, oh, I should have like recorded that or included that. So I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed like part 1 of the office makeover, and I can't wait to show you guys the rest. Okay, anyways, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you guys don't miss out on any new uploads. Follow me on Instagram, linked in the description box down below, and comment any other videos you'd like to see. Okay, bye! Oh my gosh, look at what I did! Only I would do this. Oh, all the shimmers are fine. Oh! Goodness gracious. Okay, it's still fine. I'm just trying to get off any loose bits. See, literally, all of the shimmers are fine. The mattes are what just suck. They're so dry. Oh, there's no point in keeping this one either. I never liked this one. And oh, I don't know this one. Let's see. This one's fine. Sometimes I use this one to kind of blend out certain eyeshadows. So from that 22 pan eyeshadow palette, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, because this is the highlighters count as part of the palette. Oh my gosh, I've literally like wasted, because a lot of them broke while I was depotting it, and now the rest I just broke by dropping it, plus my blush. Only I would. Alright, I'm going to clean this palette, clean this mess, and then, ugh. Ah! Okay, so I just put all of the good eyeshadows back into the palette. This is all that I have left, unfortunately. But I'm actually kind of happy because these were my absolute favorites. So I'm not entirely mad. And then that blush, I actually had it in 2 separate pans. I broke the smaller one, but I still have this bigger one. So this is... Oh, I'm so upset. That other one finally had pan, and I've had it for like years and years. I've had it since like 2016. So, and I finally hit pan. So now I have to work on this bigger one and try to use it up and hit pan on this as well. Ah, I'm so sad. But I cleaned the palette. That's that. I vacuumed up as much as I could. There's still some eyeshadow left, so I'm literally just going to put some hand sanitizer and then wipe it up. Oh my gosh, I'm so sad. But whatever. I'm more upset about that blush. Like the eyeshadows, they weren't my favorite formula. That's why I was trying to use them up. But,